As we age, it's easy to think that aches, pains, and digestive troubles are just part of the package. Many seniors accept these discomforts as an inevitable part of growing older, often resigning themselves to a life of reduced activity and enjoyment. But what if I told you that a healthy gut could hold the key to a happier, more energetic you? Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed, with the energy to pursue your passions and the vitality to enjoy every moment. You might be surprised to learn that a whopping 70% of seniors experience digestive issues. These issues range from mild discomfort to severe conditions that can significantly impact quality of life. These issues can impact everything from our mood and sleep to our energy levels and overall well-being. Poor digestion can lead to nutrient deficiencies, which in turn affect our physical and mental health. The gut, you see, is more than just a digestive system. It's intricately connected to our brain. This connection is so profound that scientists often refer to the gut as the second brain. Think of your gut as a second brain, home to trillions of bacteria that influence everything from our immune system to our mental health. These bacteria play a crucial role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulate our mood and emotions. When our gut is healthy, these bacteria thrive, producing beneficial compounds that positively impact our entire body. A balanced gut microbiome can enhance our immune response, reduce inflammation, and even help manage chronic conditions. This includes our brain, leading to improved mood, better sleep, and even a sharper mind. A healthy gut can help us stay mentally agile, making it easier to engage in activities we love and maintain social connections. On the flip side, an unhappy gut can send distress signals to the brain, contributing to feelings of fatigue, anxiety, and even depression. Chronic digestive issues can create a vicious cycle where poor gut health exacerbates mental health problems and vice versa. That's why prioritizing gut health is especially crucial for seniors. By taking proactive steps to support our digestive system, we can break this cycle and promote a more balanced, joyful life. By nurturing our gut, we're not just supporting digestion, we're investing in our overall health and happiness, paving the way for more vibrant and fulfilling golden years. Simple lifestyle changes, such as incorporating more fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity, can make a significant difference. In the following sections, we'll explore the fascinating world of gut health, uncovering simple yet powerful strategies to support your digestive system and unlock a world of well-being. From understanding the role of probiotics to learning about the best dietary choices, we'll provide you with the tools you need to thrive. As we journey through life, our bodies undergo a natural process of aging, and our digestive system is no exception. The changes in our digestive system can be subtle at first, but they become more noticeable as we grow older. Just like our skin loses elasticity over time, our gut also experiences age-related changes that can impact its function. These changes can affect how we digest food, absorb nutrients, and even how we feel on a daily basis. Understanding these changes is the first step towards supporting our gut health as we age. By being aware of what's happening inside our bodies, we can take proactive steps to maintain our digestive health. One significant change is a decrease in the production of stomach acid. This reduction can start as early as our 40s and becomes more pronounced with each passing decade. This acid plays a vital role in breaking down food and protecting us from harmful bacteria. Without sufficient stomach acid, our bodies struggle to digest proteins and absorb essential nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and calcium. With less stomach acid, we may experience indigestion, bloating, and an increased susceptibility to infections. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and may affect our quality of life. Another common change is a slowing down of the digestive process, known as peristalsis. Peristalsis is the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. This can lead to constipation, a common complaint among seniors. Constipation can cause discomfort, pain, and even lead to more serious health issues if not managed properly. Furthermore, the composition of our gut bacteria, known as the gut microbiota, can shift as we age. The balance of these bacteria is crucial for our overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immune function. We may see a decline in beneficial bacteria and an increase in harmful ones, potentially contributing to inflammation and digestive discomfort. This imbalance can also affect our mood and energy levels. While these age-related changes are a natural part of life, they don't have to dictate our digestive destiny. By making conscious choices, we can support our gut health and improve our overall well-being. By understanding the specific ways our gut changes over time, we can make informed choices about our diet, lifestyle, and supplement routine to support optimal digestion and overall well-being. This might include eating more fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, and considering probiotics or digestive enzymes. In the following sections, we'll delve into practical strategies to nourish your aging gut, promoting digestive harmony and a happier, healthier you. From dietary adjustments to lifestyle changes, we'll explore how you can take control of your digestive health and enjoy life to the fullest. When it comes to gut health, fiber is often hailed as a superhero nutrient, and for good reason. This essential component of our diet plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system and overall well-being. This indigestible plant matter acts like a gentle broom, sweeping through our digestive system and promoting regularity. By adding bulk to our stool, fiber helps to ensure that waste moves smoothly through our intestines, preventing constipation and other digestive issues. For seniors who may experience age-related slowing of digestion, fiber is an essential ally in preventing constipation and maintaining gut health. As we age, our digestive system can become less efficient, making it even more important to include fiber-rich foods in our diet. Think of fiber as the roughage our gut craves. It not only helps with regularity, but also plays a significant role in overall digestive health. It adds bulk to our stool, making it easier to pass and preventing uncomfortable straining. Drinking plenty of water alongside a fiber-rich diet is also crucial, as it helps the fiber to work more effectively. But fiber's benefits extend far beyond regularity. It is also instrumental in maintaining a healthy weight, as high-fiber foods tend to be more filling and can help control appetite. As it travels through our digestive tract, fiber acts like a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria residing in our gut. These beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, thrive on fiber, which helps them to multiply and maintain a healthy balance in our gut microbiome. These bacteria, in turn, ferment the fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids that offer a myriad of health benefits. This fermentation process is vital for gut health and overall well-being. These short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, act as fuel for our gut cells, supporting the integrity of our intestinal lining and reducing inflammation. They help to keep our gut lining strong and healthy, which is essential for preventing leaky gut syndrome and other digestive disorders. They also play a role in regulating blood sugar levels, promoting satiety, and even influencing our immune system. By helping to control blood sugar levels, fiber can be particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Incorporating ample fiber into our diet is like providing a feast for our gut bacteria, fostering a thriving and diverse gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced immune function, and even better mental health. So, make sure to include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your daily meals to support your gut and overall health. Hydrate your way to happiness. We all know that staying hydrated is essential for overall health, but did you know that it plays a crucial role in maintaining a happy and healthy gut? Water is essential for every bodily function, including digestion. It helps soften stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation, a common concern, especially among seniors. Think of it this way: without adequate hydration, our colon has to work overtime to absorb water from our food waste, leading to hard, dry stools that are difficult to pass. This can result in uncomfortable straining, bloating, and even constipation. On the other hand, when we're properly hydrated, our stool remains soft and moves smoothly through our digestive tract, promoting regularity and ease. But water's benefits for gut health extend beyond regularity. It also aids in the absorption of nutrients from our food, ensuring our bodies receive the vitamins and minerals they need to thrive. Furthermore, staying hydrated supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and overall well-being.
Probiotics and prebiotics, the dynamic duo. In the world of gut health, probiotics and prebiotics are often mentioned together, and for good reason. They work synergistically to support a thriving gut microbiome. Think of probiotics as the friendly bacteria that reside in our gut, while prebiotics are the food that nourishes these beneficial bacteria, helping them flourish. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, provide a health benefit to the host. They can be found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or taken as supplements. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy balance in our gut, competing with harmful bacteria and promoting digestive harmony. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are types of dietary fiber that our bodies can't digest, but our gut bacteria can. They act as food for probiotics, promoting their growth and activity. Prebiotics can be found in foods like onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. By incorporating both probiotic-rich foods and prebiotic-rich foods into our diet, we create an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive, supporting optimal digestion and overall well-being. In summary, by prioritizing gut health through mindful eating and active living, seniors can enhance their digestive wellness and overall happiness. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on senior health topics and share your thoughts in the comments below.